The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. The Bitcoin market is about to crash due to the impending clarification of regulations. Reason being, January was the 12th time in the last 13 years, beginning in the 1950s, that the top 500 reached a new record high. Given the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market, the S&P 500 has followed its movements, suggesting that this asset risk strategy may trigger a crypto market explosion. Therefore, the whole asset class, including XRP, should rise and fall together. As Bitcoin hit a new high, the entire asset class, including XRP, is expected to surge as well. Such dev.d. The information necessary to understand the setup for XRP to go insane is provided by a data-driven individual with more than 41,100 followers on social media platform X. TechDev observes that following a large distribution, Bitcoin's dominance is dwindling, whereas Tether's dominance is dwindling during its alt acceleration period. Since December 2020, Bitcoin has remained at this level due to macro compression. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency charts are provided by TechDev. The first graph displays Bitcoin prices from 2014 all the way up until about the middle of 2017. The top chart shows the crypto market cap up until maybe midway through 2017. The bottom chart shows the same data up until 2020, and the top chart shows the top 10 coins. TechDev also shares charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. One shows the market from 2014 to maybe the middle of 2017, the other shows the market from 2020 to the present. The bottom chart shows no change. And the next tail is on the way. The bottom chart reflects what happened 2 cycles ago. The cycle may have changed since then. Every time the US dollar index rises, Bitcoin falls. In 12 months from now, we will be in the 5th cycle of global liquidity. Finally, regulatory clarity, increasing demand for cryptocurrencies, and expected market volatility are the causes of the next XRP face melt session. Investors can better prepare for in-person meetings and make informed judgments when they have a firm grasp of the facts, as well as the market's timing and dynamics. Similar to how illusory global liquidity produces multiple several-year cycles, the myth of Bitcoin does the same. This is dictated by the cyclical balance sheets of central banks. For the past 12 months, the 3.5 has been Bitcoin's macro UST high. Bitcoin might potentially hit new heights in 2024 or 2025, depending on the global liquidity cycle. This cycle starts in early 2024 and lasts for 12 months. This last picture depicts alternate timelines for the introduction of textbook markup over 3 distinct epochs, assuming that history is repetitive. Market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies, minus the top 10 in the top chart. You can see the present market cycle. In the bottom chart, you can see the cycle that began in 2016. Perhaps XRP would have fared better in the previous cycle if it hadn't had the SEC for negative when it was higher. It took much longer to calm down before it reached new records. With the exception of the SEC during price discovery, I do not think XRP will bypass the last market cycle. In my opinion, XRP has been stabilizing and in an excellent position for the past 6 years based on XRP's previous track. A silly way of putting it is that the longer a chart consolidates, the more the price explosive force that ultimately rises has a tremendous impact, and the higher the base, the higher in space. In July, a U.S. district judge lifted the countrywide XRP trading prohibition after finding that the automated open market sales of San Francisco payment companies were not security sales. Since then, all exchanges have relisted XRP, and Coinbase has resumed trading service in New York. It is essential to be intellectually honest while addressing the dates of Bitcoin's liquidity cycles, as they are misrepresented. Given the present challenging circumstances, the XRP price is unpredictable. On May 23, the premier cryptocurrency financial intelligence service from Coinbase XRP, will be included again to the CMB 10 index. In June, XRP will once again be included in the CMB 10 index, after a comprehensive review determined that it fits the criteria laid out by CMB's multi-asset approach, which includes the capacity to invest and coin metrics. Following concerns about XRP's investability in light of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs Incorporated and the suspension of XRP trading on major exchanges like Coinbase, Coinmetrics decided to return XRP to the CMB 10 index, demonstrating its commitment to representing the digital asset market. A large quantity of capital is projected to pour into XRP, as it is believed by prominent businesses in the industry, such as Coinbase, that XRP will achieve good results. Those outside the circle. If they didn't believe XRP earned so much money after thorough consideration, they wouldn't be doing this, thus they must be less intellectually honest with themselves. After a thorough evaluation, Coinbase has decided to relist XRP to the CMB 10 index, demonstrating its commitment to representing the digital asset market. The decision follows XRP meeting the stability standards of the CMB multi-asset methodology. XRP is deserving of its spot in the CMB 10 index. Insiders know that investors will pour money into it. Lastly, Coinbase's initiative to bring XRP back demonstrates their commitment to accurately representing the digital asset market. The Moonlambo channel talks about the next market cycle and XRP's likely ascent. Therefore, it's safe to say that XRP will keep winning even though people have their worries about the schedule and the choice. Thanks to the money from institutional and retail speculators, Matt believes this cycle will be the most extraordinary one yet. He predicts that XRP will reach new heights, and that enterprise discovery will continue until the market is destroyed by a black swan event. XRP is in the best possible position to have a face melt session right now. The speaker claims that on January 16, PHEV Euros TV 500 hit a new record high, surpassing the 12 consecutive highs that had occurred since the 1950s. Since equities and cryptocurrency markets are both considered high-risk investments, this decision is likely to have an impact on the former. The whole asset class, including XRP, will move as Bitcoin reaches fresh all-time high and consolidates. According to the speaker, XRP is just one of many assets in this class. Matt offers 3 posts from Tech Dev, who has been following him for more than 5 years, in an effort to rise. As for XRP, he's in a fantastic position to go absolutely bonkers. He makes critical points more clear, and explains how everything works in context. He anticipates XRP to soar to new heights and business discovery, but the market could be wiped out by a black swan event before it can run. XRP is in the best possible position to have a face melt session right now. In January 16, the PHEV Euro TV 500 reportedly hit a new record high, surpassing the 12 consecutive highs that had occurred since the 1950s, according to the speaker. Because equities and cryptocurrency markets are both considered high-risk investments, this decision is likely to have an impact on the latter. The whole asset class, including XRP, will move as Bitcoin reaches fresh all-time high and consolidates. According to the speaker, XRP is just one of many assets in this class. Matt offers 3 posts from Tech Dev, who has been following him for more than 5 years, in an effort to rise. As for XRP, he's in a fantastic position to go absolutely bonkers. He elucidates key points and demonstrates how everything is interconnected. In 2024, the 12-month cycle will reach its peak. By 2024's conclusion, or early 2025, Bitcoin is expected to have surpassed its previous all-time high. Thirdly, while all coins will go through textbook markup, and all people will remain the same, XRP finds itself in a different regulatory situation than it did in the previous market cycle. If the SEC hadn't been there, some think XRP would have done better in the last cycle. It still required more time to cool down before it could hit new all-time highs, regardless of how high it was moving. Even though the author doesn't think XRP will fail to participate in the final market cycle without the SEC, it's fair to wonder what will happen to it. At the end of the video, the author claims that XRP has been consolidating for 6 years and is in a good position. The old saying goes something like, XRP is charged consolidates longer. XRP's value has skyrocketed in the last 6 years, mirroring the market's meteoric growth. Since XRP was relisted by all exchanges last July, that's why. Trading in XRP in New York has been restored by Coinbase, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. The national restriction on XRP trading was lifted when Eliza Torres, and the last U.S. district judge ruled that automated open market transactions of XRP were not security sales. This action is in response to a thorough analysis that verified XRP satisfies the investment ability requirements set out by the CMB multi-asset methodology at the June index review. Once again, XRP will be included of Coinbase CMB 10 index. The most anticipated businesses in the industry, such as Coinbase, are of the opinion that XRP is doing well, and those in the know already know how much money will pour into it. Regardless, the point of these movies is to have a good time. Well, that concludes our video. As always, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment with your opinions. Coming up shortly, farewell.